Hi, and welcome to Learn English with Natalie. I'm Natalie, your host and teacher. I am a passionate English literature and language enthusiast with over 10 years of teaching experience. And if you're here, you're probably looking to make your English sharper, smoother, and sound way more natural. I know life is busy, so I'm here to make English language learning easy for you. Each episode will give you short, practical lessons that you can apply straight away in your everyday English conversations. Anytime, anywhere. Whether it's picking up the perfect phrase or exploring new expressions, I'll be sharing quick tips that you can start to use straight away. And the best part? No textbooks, and certainly no lessons that are hours long and, quite frankly, a little bit boring. Just real English every day. Listen on the go, while you're commuting, on your way to work, or even on your coffee break. Each episode is a bite-sized boost to help you feel more confident in your English learning. So, if you're ready to up-level your English, hit the subscribe button and join me. Let's make English a natural part of your day. See you at the next episode.